Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Chrome. Click the three-dot menu at the top right and choose Settings. Once done, go straight to Appearance where Theme controls live. This is where Chrome applies light or dark modes and any installed theme extensions. You do this because Chrome can inherit OS settings or use a custom theme. Switching here overrides the active dark theme. Make sure you have no pinned work that depends on a dark palette. Will change visuals, not functionality. Now you address the active dark appearance. In Appearance, choose either Light or click Reset to Default to remove any custom dark themes. If a web store theme is applied, choose the Chrome default theme. That returns colors to neutral. Also check the Use System Theme option. Some installations sync with Windows or Mac OS Dark Mode, which can re-enable dark visuals. If that's on, change your OS appearance or disable the sync so Chrome stays light. To finish, restart Chrome so theme files reload and confirm pages. Now use the light scheme. If parts remain dark, inspect extensions. Disable any Force Dark or Stylish Sheet managers and reload. Make sure you clear cached styles or restart in an incognito window to isolate extension effects. If problems persist, reset settings to their original defaults or create a fresh profile. This removes stubborn theme overrides. Troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.